I'm Lisa Yen, Director of Programs and Outreach for the Neuroendocrine Cancer Foundation, and I'm here in Miami with Dr. Udhayvir Grewal from Emory Cancer Winship Institute in Atlanta. And Uday, it's great to see you again, and I'd love to hear what are some of the latest advances that are happening right now in neuroendocrine cancer?
It's so lovely to be here, Lisa. Thank you so much for having me. There's a lot going on in the neuroendocrine neoplasm space. I would say for radioligand therapy, Lutathera has been the standard of care for the longest time, but the new kid on the block is alpha PRRT or alpha radioligand therapy. We're seeing some results for lead-based alpha products such as Lead-212 Dotamtate and Lead-212 VMT-Alpha-NET. We had some presentations at ESMO and NANETS, and we're seeing some great responses and great signal for activity. But long-term outcomes and safety are yet to be determined, but this is welcome progress for sure. And we recently heard that Action 1, which is looking at Actinium-225 Dotatate, just completed accrual. So that's another product that we're really excited about. And this is quickly, transforming the paradigm for patients with neuroendocrine tumors with these new developments. Among patients with Pheochromocytoma and Paraganglioma, we earlier this year had an FDA approval for Belzutifan. And at ESMO recently, Dr. Camilo Jimenez presented the results of the LITESPARK study that showed durable benefit and very impressive responses in patients with the Pheo and Para. So this is a new drug that we can offer to our patients in the clinic, and this is really exciting progress for these patients. I would also say in poorly differentiated neuroendocrine carcinomas, where we've been really struggling to bring newer therapies to clinic, finally we see some ray of hope that DLL3 targeting agents, most notably obrixtamig, is finally, we're seeing some preliminary results, and these are very encouraging. Dr. Capdevila presented data at ASCO and then at ESMO and recently at NANETS, and we're seeing some really good outcomes and responses. And there are newer therapies like trispecific and ADCs, radioligand therapies targeting DLL3 that are still in ongoing clinical trials, and I'm really excited about all these new developments.
Wow, you mentioned a lot there. 2 alpha trials and then new drug Belzutifan for a rare subset, Pheochromocytoma and Paraganglioma, and then something for high grade as well as a lot of other works in progress, research in progress. So what would you say is the takeaway for patients?
So finally, we are seeing some progress, and I think this is because of the growing interest in finding treatments for these patients. This is, an excellent example of partnership among investigators, advocacy groups, and patients, caregivers. So I think this is a team effort for our global neuroendocrine neoplasm community, and this is, I think, the best time for someone like myself starting my career in this field. This is the best time to be here. This is the best time to be treating patients.
Well, we're grateful for all you do, your dedication and hard work. Together, we're stronger. And look, we're moving the field forward together.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.